My name's Darius and I'm the Managing Director of the Sewing Studio. The Sewing Studio is a family-run retail business specialising in sewing machines and patchwork quilting fabric. We've got an amazing team here that is always looking for better, more efficient ways of serving our customers and meeting their needs.
My name's Barbara Ellenbrook and I am the Saturday girl now. It's a really lovely place to work, fabulous stock. I mean, every day I come to work, I always go home with something. I just can't resist it. It's like being in a sweetie shop.
Hi, my name's Sue. I work here at the Sewing Studio on the shop floor. Great team working here. We all have a variety of skills and experience, and we're all focused on the customer.
I'm Stacey and I'm one of the owners at the Sewing Studio, and primarily I do most of the buying of all the fabrics. The Sewing Studio is the best place to buy your patchwork fabric and your sewing machines. That's how I see it. I'm
proud to be part of the team where we've grown this business from a small company to a very large company. Hello, my name's Matt. I'm responsible for our website and all of the internal systems. The best thing for me is that we take the time to explain our products. We've probably never sold a sewing machine. We've only ever matched the right machine to our customers' needs.
My name's Kyle and I'm in charge of mail order at the Sewing Studio. If you love fabric, this is the place to go.
I'm Katrina, I'm one of the in-house tutors here. We've got a vast experience across our team, and some of us are quilters, some of us are dressmakers, some of us are curtain makers. We have a huge wealth of knowledge between us.
Hello, my name is Luke and I take care of the servicing and repairs here at the Sewing Studio. If you ever buy, say, a sewing machine and you have an issue with us, you know, we're always at the end of the phone, email, just drop it in even, and we'll take you back through it. We're never going to just sell you a product and sort of say, there you go, you're on your own.
My name's Cyrus, but most people call me Si. Well, here we pride ourselves on basically great customer service and getting any deliveries to you as fast as possible.
Hi, my name's Anna and I look after predominantly all of our customer services. At the moment we've got the largest team that we've ever had, which is really good because it means that we've brought skills into the business to be able to service our customers better, and we're always here on hand for any problems that you have, any advice you might need.
I'm Barbara, I'm Darius's mum and I do the books. The service is so good, the prices are good, and Darius is really genuinely concerned for his customers.
I love my job, I love the variety. I love meeting people, whether it's customers coming in the shop or customers we speak to on the phone.
There's always something here I can buy. Doesn't matter what it is, I can always find something that I can't live without.
Oh, all the staff are great and they're brilliant to work with, and it's just great fun with all of them.
You should buy from us for honest advice at the right price.
We have a huge range of fabrics on offer, so it would be very unlikely that you wouldn't find what you need.
It's a family business and they make you feel part of that family.
You know, they're just a good bunch of people. It's not really working with colleagues as such. It's more kind of family orientated.
They all work hard and they all have a good reason for being here.
Everything.
Oh God!
Yeah, they're great.
We have a good range of products, a fantastic range of knowledge and experience here. It's a privilege to be part of that.
That is the Sewing Studio. We're very, very good at what we do. There aren't many shops like ours. Every member of the team here is good at what they do and is supported by everybody else in the team. So we do a good job, and that's what we come to work for.